Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to sync Notion to your calendar. To do that, tap the three dots at the upper right corner and then scroll down until you see extensions. Then in here, tap the three lines at the upper left corner and then click open Chrome Web Store. Then search for Google Calendar or any application that there might be a tool available to your Notion. Then connect Notion and Calendar. Sign in to both your Notion and Calendar accounts through the Sync tool. You need to grant necessary permission for the tool to access your data. Then select the Calendar and Notion pages to sync. Once the accounts are connected, you'll typically be able to choose the specific calendar you want to sync with Notion and select the Notion pages or databases that you want to sync events or tasks from. Then configure sync settings. Also, initiate the sync. Then check and manage sync items. Once the sync is complete, review your calendar and Notion pages to ensure everything is accurate. Sometimes adjustments might be required due to differences in how two platforms handle data. And that's how to sync Notion to your calendar. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.